Lingportal Online School presents
Conjunctions Test. Can you score 15 out of 15 on these tricky questions? We use words called conjunctions in order to join two parts of sentences. Conjunctions can be used to give more information, give alternatives, give reasons, give results, or give unexpected information. She lives in London and she studies at London Met. I love fruits, but I am allergic to strawberries. There were no PC, internet, or even TV set. Alex plays basketball well, yet his favorite sport is football. My new car is nice, so I like it. I didn't pass the exam, although I tried as hard as I could. I spoke quietly because I didn't want to wake her up. It was hard work, so I am really tired. Do you want vanilla, strawberry, or chocolate ice cream? I called my friend, but he didn't answer. I'm so tired because I didn't sleep last night. Can you come and check my homework? He is a rich man, yet he is very simple. He practiced grammar hard, for he wanted to improve his English. He seemed neither surprised nor worried. Did you get it right? Perfect.